Here and now, I'm in the fire and above my head, being held under the pressure, don't know what'll be left. But it's here in the ashes I'm finding treasure. He's making diamonds, diamonds, making diamonds out of dust. He is refining, and in his timing, he's making diamonds out of us. I'll surrender.